Good day, this is Paya. So today is December 19, 2019, 9:20 p.m. So update tayo sa ginawa nating POS system with inventory. So we're done with the Cashier module. So at this time, yung sa admin module naman yung i-complete natin. Okay? So dito, wala siyang code. So, lagyan natin ng code yung sa logout niya. So dito is security and logout. So yan, so this is not clear. So put natin to if message box dot show exit application, and then message box this is title exit. I confirm. Lagyan natin confirm, and then message box button. This is message box buttons that yes, no. Then message box icon that questions equal to dialog result that yes. Okay, so pag yes natin, so application that accept. Okay, so try natin. So exit application, yes, ayan, so nag-exit siya. Then, so natin yung galawin is yung sa logout natin. So, wala siyang code for logout. Lagyan natin ng code. Then, go to the form 1. So, this is the form 1. Then, change natin yung logout. Ayan. So, code natin to. If message box that show, then logout application, then the title, lagyan natin siya ng confirm, then message box button that yes, no, plus message box icon that questions is equal to dialog result that yes. Okay, so check natin to. Yan. So pag equal to yes, and then this dot hide, tapos if rm security new FRM security. Ayan, and then if the save dialog. Okay, so try natin. So, lagyan natin admin 1234, then log out. So, logout application, pag yes, balik siya kay admin. Okay, so dito sa ating product, sa product natin is makapag-add na tayo, update, maka-delete, so okay na siya. Sa stock, dito sa stock natin, makabrowse na tayo dito ng stock. So, put the reference number, then the stock in, tapos add natin yung stock, add item. So pwede siyang mat. Okay. And then sa history, so sa history kasi is nilagyan natin siya ng um, delete. So, dapat hindi siya ma-delete yung stuck in natin. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung stuck in doon. So, stuck in, tapos, then right click lang natin to, edit, tapos, visible force lang natin to. Yan, so para hindi na siya makita. Okay, so stock is in history for 2018. Blood record, okay. So, ayan na siya. And then, sunod natin is the category. So, okay na yung category. Pwede tayong maka-add. Pwede tayong maka-update at saka maka-delete ng category. Same with brand. Then, records. So, sa record is magdagdag tayo ng records dito. Ayan. So, dagdag natin yung sa cancel kasi pwede tayong makancel dito sa sales natin. So, pwede tayong maka-cancel ng sales. So, for example, so, all cashier. Ayan. So, pwede tayong maka-cancel ng ayan. So, pwede tayong maka-cancel ng sales dito. So, yung gagawin natin is add tayo ng another form. Ano, dito sa records natin. So, add tayo ng okay, ano ba yun? Tag page, ayan. So, tayo dito ng isa. So, yung name natin is, change natin to cancelled orders. Then, add pa tayo ng isa para sa ating stock in. So, tayo para sa ating stock in. Add then stock in history. Okay. Then, so, ang field order natin, lagyan lang natin dyan. So, filter lang natin siya. Tapos, cancel. Cancel order dito. Wala. So, siguro ito na lang. Copy natin. Lagay natin dito. Okay, so check natin yung database. So, sa cancel natin is meron siyang column na ID transaction. So, start kita with transaction. So, this is transaction number or okay, transno. And then we have P code. Pati ng P code. And this is P code and product code. Okay, so type natin dyan. Then the description. Sama natin yung description. Tapos the price, the quantity, and add the price. Ipalit natin sila. Then add the after quantities the total. Ayan. Tapos yung state natin, or date natin. And then the void by, sino void. Then kung sino nag-cancel, canceled by. And then the reason ng pag-cancel. Okay. Then of course the the action. Okay, so lahat ito sila is, check natin yung quantity. So, ang quantity is, pero nilagay kay, ayan. So, lahat ito sila, yung alignment, yung layout natin is auto size mode natin, all cells. Ito rin is all cells. And all cells. Total. Para maka-scroll tayo dito. Hindi makita natin yung lahat ng data. Okay, so meron tayo dito. This is a data grid 5. Tapos, ano tayo dito ng query. Copy na lang natin to. Or, copy ng bago. Public void canceled orders, and then the data grid is data grid view 5 dot rows dot clear, and then cn dot open, cn dot close. Oh, this is close. Then cn new sql command. So, query tayo dito. Query natin siya. Check natin dito pag query. So, meron tayo dito yan, new query. So, dito lang tayo mag-query. Select asterisk or select yung pinalabas lang natin is trans, no? So, from tbl cancel. tbl cancel as c. So, this is as c dot trans, no? And then the p code, c dot p code. Then sa description natin, meron tayong description. So, p dot description para sa product natin. Ito po yung alias natin for product. So, check natin yung product natin. Tbill product, columns, and then, okay, so pdis. This is pdis. P description. And inner join. Baba natin. Inner join tbl product as p. Okay. Then, next natin pa-display. Check natin dito. So, next natin pa-display AC price. Yan, so makita naman natin. So, next is the price, the quantity. C dot price, C dot quantity, C dot total, C dot is date, then C dot void by, C dot cancelled by, then C dot reason, C dot action. Okay, so try natin execute. So, inner p, inner then, okay, so pala tayo dito ng on C dot the p code equal to p dot the p code. So, ito po yung ating foreign key, ito yung primary key natin. Check natin yung syntax, mabulan tayo, okay, where condition, okay, so, inner join product as p. So, check natin na. So error is, okay, check natin. Unexpected non-boolean type is 5 na context where a condition expected near p equal. So wala tayong equal. So this is an equal. Copy natin. So ayan. So, execute natin. Meron siyang lalabas dito na records. Okay. So ito, pwede natin siyang i-query. Tayong gumawa dito ng query. So, paano ba gumawa ng query? Pwede natin siyang create, view, and then view cancel, order as. Ayan, then execute natin. Okay. So, refresh natin dito sa query natin. Check natin the query, views, refresh. Okay, so meron tayong canceled order. Okay, so ayan, yan yung canceled order natin. Okay, so lagay natin dito select asterisk from, then view canceled order, then where. So where tayo dito is date natin, is date between. Yan, so check natin kung may date tayo dito, picker 56. So anong name yung iba? Okay, so this 56 cancel 5 and 6. So honestly, i-change natin sila. Gawin natin 8 muna to. Tapos ito gawin natin siyang 6. Then gawin natin 5. Separate natin sila. Okay? So F7 tayo. Our date between date time picker 5 that value and date time picker date not and this is plus date time picker 6 dot value dot to string ito is kulang rin to ng to string. This is that to string. Okay, so again select a series from view cancel order where is date between, so this is not and this is plus. Ayan. And then we have dr then that execute return while dr so loop natin, then of course dr close natin, dr dot close, then go to dito ng variable int I value is 0, then this is I plus plus and date with 1 loop 5 that rows dot add natin yung row natin I, then dr. So sunod natin ilagay is the trans no, so this is the trans no dot string, so copy natin. The next kay trans no, add natin si pcode pdis, so this is pcode and of course this p description, then let me give the price, so price, the quantity, and then the total, and of course the void by cancelled by reason, of course the reason. So check natin, then we have action, na siyang action. Okay. So, try natin execute. Load, cancel, cancel order. Tawagin natin dito kay main. If 1, tapos records, then add natin si frm dot cancel order. So check natin para natin yung program. Ayan. So admin 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have sales order. The records. Okay, so hindi pa siya nag-add. Rebuild natin. Okay, so rebuild. After rebuild, pwede natin iparun. So records. Ayan, so meron tayong cancel order. Lagyan natin 2018. Download data. Ito po yung mga data na kinancel natin. Okay. Then again, sa stock in history. So ganun pa rin. So check natin the stock in history or the stock in. So meron tayo dito yung stock in na ayan. Meron tayong stock in dito. So actually pwede natin siya kopyahin kasi may stock in naman tayo dito sa ating isang form or isang module na stock in. So copy lang natin to. Copy. Wait. Again, ito tayo kay records. Tapos copy natin to. Lagay natin dyan. And of course, si stock in design. So copy this design. Lagay natin dito. And then, load records. So tawagin natin si load stock in history. So check natin kung saan sila stock in history. So let's copy this. Copy lang natin. And go to FRM records. Then paste natin dito. Okay, so kung i-check natin dito yung data grid view name niya is data grid view 6. So change natin to from data grid view 1, then change natin 6. Okay, so charge muna tayo kasi so this is 6. Ito is 6. Okay. Tapos dito, tawagin lang natin si load stock history. And then of course, check natin dito. So this is 8 and 7. So 8 and 7. So lipat natin. This is data or datetime picker. Datetime pickers 8. Then sa kabila, this is 7. So this is 7. This is 8. Okay, so nakalagay kasi dito is 8 and 7. Then sa form 1, so tawagin lang natin dito si frm dot load stock in sana yung si stock in. So check mo natin sa records. So naka-private. So change to public kasi hindi na nakita eh. So change natin. load stuck in history. Okay, so run natin yung program. Ayan, admin 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, sa records, stuck in history from 2019. Start from January. Load natin. So, ayan. So, nandyan yung record niya. Okay, so ito, check natin. Yan. Nandyan yung record niya. Okay, sa sold items, critical, stock, okay, so lahat dyan is gawa natin ng reports. So, back to records. So, lahat sila, lagyan natin ng reports. Like, for example, ito sa inventory natin. Then, of course, stock history natin. So, maglagay tayo dyan ng reports. Dito is, dapat printable rin yung record na to. Then, ito rin, dapat printable. Ayan. And then, of course, ito rin is printable. So, siguro dito na lang natin lagay. Then, ito rin is printable. Okay, so, dapat lahat ng record natin dito sa or dito natin sa record module is printable. Okay, so I think next day natin tatapusin yung sa reports kasi kulang tayo ng oras. So check muna natin yung time. Admin 1, 2, 3, 4. And then sales history, okay na yung sales history natin. Sample from January until now. Tapos all cashier. So yan, labas na siya. Then printable siya. Okay. And then next natin gagawin is so dito sa ating so kung titingnan natin dito meron tayong settings, system settings. So actually pwede natin siyang gawin na lang na gawin na lang natin na store settings. So hindi na lang siya system settings. So, gawin natin siyang store settings. Okay, tapos add tayo ng form, right click, new, and then new item. Tapos natin Windows form. So, this is FRM store. Then, ano pwede sa category? Copy lang natin to. Kaya natin dito. So, this is store details. Then, close natin this. Dispose. So, add the reference using system.data.sql client. Set ng variable SQL connection cn SQL command cm then SQL data reader dr. Then yung connection natin galing kay DB connection. So this is DB connection tapos DB new DB connection. Tapos dito cn dot connection string or no SQL connection. Then we have the DB dot, so my connection. Okay, so cin connection and new. This is new. Ayan. Then what next? So under the store, so antayin ng data, callbacks. So lagyan natin dito store name. Then of course the name of the store, and the text box. So saan natin to gagamitin? So gagamitin natin siya for reports and trace. So dalawa lang. So it's up to you kung ilan yung nilagyan nyo dito ng ng data. So sa akin is under the store name and address. So pwede kayong maglagdag dito ng the owner, then the contact number, or basic information about the store. Okay, tapos dito tayo kay product. So copy na lang natin to. Store. Lagyan natin dyan. So wala nang update, save na lang. Tapos toolbox natin is yan. So tawagin natin store settings. So frm store, this is store if new frm store, then if that show dialog. Okay, tapos dito sa store natin, tayo dito sa database, new table, right click, then we have the store in the this is varchar, so varchar max, then set natin the primary key. Okay, so later na lang. So this is the address, varchar max. So ba tayo siya mag primary key? So again, varchar 50. So set primary key up. So save natin. This is tbl store. Okay. And balik tayo dito kay store. Tapos try cuts exception x. Then we have the cn.close, then message back that show. So x that message. So this is message. So exception. Ito pala. That message, and then the warning. Put on that okay, message box icon dot warning. Okay, and then condition tayo dito. cn.open, cn.close, or a private string or public boolean, and then get store info, cn.open, cn.close, PBL or count. So count na lang yung gawin natin. So this is int. Select count asterisk PBL store. Ayan, din the active connection natin is CN. Then we have the get store info. And then integer.parse execute scalar to string. And of course, return get store info. So, ayan na. So, mag-int lang tayo dito int count. So, change natin to count. Of course, this is count. After natin mag-close na connection. Okay. So, condition tayo dito. If message box that show, then save store details, confirm okay. So pag okay, condition tayo if get store info is greater than 0, so meaning may laman. Get store info sulat ayan niya. Is greater than 0. So operator pala operator type method group an int. So within get store sulat ayan niya. So ayan na. Siguro ito na lang. Lagyan natin dito. Ayan. Tanggalin na lang natin to. If count is greater than 0. So pag greater than 0, meaning may laman, send that open date table store. Set natin si store at store. And then for si address, send that open, then cn new SQL command, new SQL command. Ayan. So yung store natin is contain ng isang t. So this is txt. natin. Send execute non-query. So this is trace. Okay, so sa else tayo. Pag walang laman, so insert tayo. Insert into table store. Tapos yung store natin is kasi address and then values store and then for C address. Then sa baba, so message box dot show store details successfully. Message box icon dot information. Okay, so ayan, meron na. Then dito, gawa tayo ng isang procedure, public load records. So this is void, public void load records. Then send that open, send that close, and cm mssql command. Store natin table store, and of course pasa natin kay dr execute reader. Okay, so try natin. Load record, public void load records. But wala. No, that is not the gem. Press natin. Example, this is okay, so mayroon tayong mali dito. Pag-update, so check natin sa update. Store. Ito yung, ayan. So, this is txt. Then, login tayo, admin for, so this is Rogers Cayetano, City, Philippines. Save natin. And, save natin. Oh, mali pa rin. At mali, tama, store. Sa update, ito pala. Text head. Address. So, medyo mali. Admin 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, store. So, this is Pito. Ito. Surigao City. This is Philippines. Then, save. Ayan, then check natin. Okay, so saan po natin ito gagamitin? So, gamitin natin siya sa report. For example, dito. So, ayan. So, inventory natin kasi may code na ito. So, ilagay natin siya dito sa header niya. Ayan. Yung, yung name ng company at saka yung address na company. Okay? And then of course, so dito, maglagay rin tayo dito ng so dashboard. So gawin pa natin siya ng dashboard. Tapos i-update natin yung sa user settings, change password, saka this is not delete, this deactivate account. Ayan. So yung kulang na lang natin is first is dashboard, and then for the report, so dapat mag-generate ito. So, stop selling, mag-generate ito. Then, ito mag-generate critical. So, generate dapat. And then, ito is okay na siya. And sold order dapat mag-generate. And then, the stock in history dapat mag-generate. Okay? So, malapit tayong matapos sa ginawa nating POS system. And, POS and inventory system. So, kahapon nag-start na ako ng bagong tutorial. Yung sa I think a school management system using C#. And then, siguro I think bukas, gawa rin ako ng isa pang bagong tutorial yun sa vb.net naman. So, a simple inventory system using vb.net and MS Access Database. So, try natin sa MS Access Database. Kasi marami nag-request sa atin. Okay, so, anong meron sa inventory system? So, simple lang siya. So, yung record ng product, yung stock in ng product, kung saan galing, kung saan niya in-stock. So, say, for example, galing siya sa warehouse, or depende kung anong program yung mabuo natin. So, saan galing yung stocks. So, for example, from supplier, then, i-record siya that is stock in, and then stock out, yung pag-out ng product, kung sino nag-request, i-pull out ng product. Then of course, the inventory, kung ilan yung remaining stocks na meron tayo. So I think yung gagawin natin is yung inventory is isang warehouse. Tapos sa warehouse natin is lagyan natin siya ng by ng brands. Let's say for example, by brands natin ilagay. Tapos yung mga brands is mag-request lang ng product sa warehouse. Tapos doon tayo mag-pull out. Okay, so siguro ganun yung gagawin natin. Doon sa enrollment system naman, enrollment management system. So, ang cover po natin doon is the enrollment, the profiling ng student, the grading, scheduling, and then what else? Class list, dapat mag-generate ng class list. Then, kung kakayanin pa natin, or kung I think medyo mataas kasi yung tutorial na yan kasi management yan. So, lahat ng pwede natin i-cover, so i-cover natin. Okay? So, salamat sa mga subscriber natin. Don't forget to like, share my tutorial sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko. So, please subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga latest upload ko. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat.